I'm going to show you how to find a company's financials on TradingView. For example, we've loaded NVIDIA on our chart, and you can see here, this is NVIDIA. This is their stock price. We get some information from here, but we want to find their financials. And there's a very easy way of doing this. All you need to do is look at the right of your screen, click on the previously watch list button, and you can see below this, we're getting the information for NVIDIA's price. Now, let's enlarge this. You can see that on our watch list, we do not have NVIDIA. So it's not necessary for you to have the stock on your watch list in order to gain this information below. Now, we want to find their financials. So how do we do that? You can see that if we scroll down, we're getting some earnings, we're getting some data as well for the company, dividends, payouts, income statements. So these are some financial statements. You can see balance sheets. These are details, but we need to find their financials. So we need to click on these 4 rectangles on our screen, and then under the fundamentals, you can click on financials. Now we need to close this watch list here, and you can see that our page has now shifted to NVIDIA's financial data. You can get an overview, you can find financial statements, so total revenue year on year, cost of goods sold, operating expenses, net income. You can get some statistics, so valuation ratios, PEs, EBITDA, return on assets, ROEs. You can see their dividends, and you can get a detailed analysis of their dividends, earnings as well for the company. So the estimated revenue, so earnings per share, not revenue, earnings per share, the reporting period. You can see estimates, forecasts, historical data as well. So you get a variety of data simply by clicking on that. Now, once you're done with all of this, there's a very easy to return back to your chart. All you need to do is look at the top right-hand side of your screen, click on that, and you are back on your chart. So that is a very easy and fast way of how to find a company's financials on TradingView.